Okay, folks, it's July 4th here, and we're in the garage, soon to be the man cave, and the new workshop for the summer. Um, these are all hurricane proof, deep tinted windows. And there are my scrapping tools and all that. All these boxes here, are full of stuff from my room, buses, cars, models, you name it. Because oh, there's a lady there, a favorite share. I'm gonna be installing a Daikin or a Mitsubishi mini split unit here, so it can keep us in air conditioned comfort. So I'm just doing a little remodeling. We're gonna have to bring everything from the house, room by room here, because we're gonna be doing all flooring, all new flooring in the house. It needs it. And then we're gonna be remodeling the bathrooms first, then the kitchen, and we're not going to be relocating this year. We made that decision. Politics and the economy is too unstable right now. So it's July 4th. I'm not going to wish you a happy Independence Day because a lot of folks right now are not having a very good day. Get to it in another video. Bye bye.